If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection and may resolve temporary glitches causing a matchmaking error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to your game library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable experience. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Go to your device manager, find your network adapter, and check for any available updates. Keeping your drivers current can improve connectivity and reduce errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy your time in Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!